Hello everyone, I am Archana Kanal. Today I am here for the presentation on the topic database security and my team member is Van Bach. In this presentation, we are covering aggregation, inference, data mining and data warehousing, data analytics, large-scale parallel data systems. Let us talk about the database security at first. For any organization, data is an asset. Those assets need to be protected. Historical data can guide business strategy, so confidential information should be safe from being disclosed to others through the database security. There are basically some layers of database security such as physical security, network security, encryption, authentication, auditing and backup. My team member Bach has a personal experience in database security. He has worked with the Oracle database. In that database management system, the resources were secured through the user authentication systems, which means the students were asked to provide the username and password to use that resources. The next topic is aggregation. It is the process of collecting many low-level security items and combining them to produce a high-level security item using formulas or mathematical functions. Relational Database Management System is a database management program which supports high-level access language as SQL. SQL provides a number of functions that combines records from one or more tables to produce potentially useful information. It interprets commands to perform the required database access. In the figure, we can see the different levels of data models. A low level information from these different levels can be used to form a high level security items. Inference. Inference is the process of combining several pieces of non-sensitive information to gain higher access informations by using the human mind's deductive capacity. Deductive uses human reasoning ability rather than the raw mathematical ability of modern database platforms. To prevent from these attacks, we can keep a careful watch over the permissions granted to the individuals. Also, the intentional blurring of data and disk partitioning can be done to prevent the interference of sensitive data. The next topic is data mining and data warehousing. Data warehouse. The place where large amounts of information are stored with specialized techniques is known as data warehouse. Data mining. It is the process of going through the large database and looking for the potential correlated information. It discovers the pattern in large datasets. It uses data warehouse to explore relationships that can affect business decision making. Database security in data warehouse and data mining. Data warehouse contains a large amount of detailed information about sensitive information. Data mining can be used as a security tool when it is used to develop a baseline for statistical anomalies. Online Analytic Processing OLAP. OLAP is an application which can be used as a tool to connect to the database systems for the purpose of data mining. It analyzes information in the database with complex queries and create meaningful information. It analyzes information in the database for the purpose of making management decisions. It uses data warehouse through the statistical process. The common point of OLAP products is the ability to support business users with a highly interactive user experience. The figure shows the basic data warehouse architecture. In this figure, the data from database 1, database 2, and database tree can be combined together and stored in a data warehouse. The next topic is data analytics. It takes the raw data with the emphasis of extracting useful information from the majority of information. It is the process of checking, cleaning, converting, and modeling data with the goal of discovering important information. It provides a full description of functionality from the perspective of customers. The bigger the data source, the more challenging it is for data analysis. When the traditional means of analysis is ineffective, big data involves the collection, storage, analysis, mining, transfer, distribute, and result presentation. I have a personal experience in analyzing the data to find the correlation between them. Once I had to conduct the project. In that project, I collected a large amount of data, and those data were the extraction of fingerprints of the persons. I used those fingerprints of the same person to analyze the pattern of the fingerprints. After the huge analysis of data, I was able to find the correlation between the fingerprints, which helped me to conduct the voting process using the fingerprints. Hence, data analytics can be useful in any step of our life. The next topic is large-scale parallel data systems. To improve the data analysis process effectively, the parallel data system is designed to perform multiple calculations simultaneously. In parallel computation, a large task can be divided into smaller tasks, and those smaller tasks can be assigned to the different processing subsystems. Large-scale parallel data system must take care of performance, power consumption, reliability, and stability of the system. It often involves cloud computing that is developing strongly today. Several solutions perfect consolidation, combinations of large data and cloud. After this discussion, we can conclude that data can be accessed at the time of the event, which is called online. Low-level information can be combined to form highly sensitive information through aggregation and inferences. Multiple transactions can be performed simultaneously at the same time. Data can be stored in different databases, which is known as distributed data. Sensitive information must be carefully protected since system is accessible to many users. Database security can protect the information from being disclosed to others. These are the references we have taken for the project, and these are our contributions. Thank you.